What factors should I consider when renting a boat in Alaska? Choosing reputable boat rental companies. Prioritize renting from reputable companies for professional guidance and client satisfaction. Extensive research on Alaska's boat rental firms ensures a quality boating experience. Boat variety based on purpose. Different boat types cater to diverse activities like sightseeing or adventure sports. Selection depends on the group size and specific water activities planned. Adherence to laws and regulations. Awareness of local laws, licenses, and rental company requirements is crucial. Compliance ensures safety, insurance coverage, and adherence to operational regulations. Understanding legal requirements. Some states mandate licenses for boat rental operations or specific time-bound exploration. Rental companies may offer boat club memberships and boating lessons to comply with regulations. Inspection protocol for safety. Thoroughly inspect the rented boat before and after the tour to avoid mechanical issues. Promptly notify rental companies of any damages for replacement or repair. Safety considerations, legal compliance. Laws and regulations prioritize safety and security during boat rentals. Abiding by rules and ensuring insurance coverage mitigates risks during the trip. Seeking insights and recommendations. Seek advice from friends or family with prior boat rental experience. Valuable insights from experienced individuals enhance decision-making and preparation for the boating trip.